My name is Lina, and today I want to tell you what happened in the kitchen. This morning, I went to the kitchen with my mum. The kitchen was bright and clean, and the sunlight came through the window. My mum said, "Do you want to help me today?" I smiled and said, "Yes, I want to help." We started by washing our hands. The water was warm and the soap smelled very nice. My mum gave me a small bowl. She said, "Please mix the eggs gently." I held the bowl carefully and mixed the eggs slowly. Then my mum cut some vegetables, tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. She said, "Always be careful with the knife." So I watched her quietly and learned. Next, she gave me the bread. She said, "Put the bread on the plate, please." I placed the slices neatly, one by one. After that, we cooked the eggs together. The smell filled the kitchen, and it made me feel hungry. When the food was ready, I helped my mum set the table. I put the plates, forks, and cups in the right place. My mum looked at me and said, "You were very helpful today." I felt proud and happy. We sat down and ate breakfast together. The food tasted warm and delicious because I helped make it. It was a simple morning, but a very special one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow Mastery Method English for more easy English lessons.